It's my favorite time of year, so what better way to start it off with this perfect fall look. So first I went in with all my base colors, my nude for the French, the pumpkin orange, and the glitter. And this look has a sweater nail. Well, it has several sweater nails, I should say. And the way I do mine is I make this pattern right here. I don't really know what you'd call it. I like to do it in one stroke to keep it from looking boxy, so it really mimics the pattern in a sweater. And I just go through with this short, thin nail art brush because it gives me better control, but it's also thin enough to give me the lines I want. As you can see here, I'm using a longer, thinner brush. That's great for straight lines like that, but if I'm trying to do the sweater with that, you're not going to have as much control as you need. And you can turn the nail for the sides if you'd want, or your client's hand. That's what I like to do. And so before curing it, you're going to add your clear acrylic powder onto the nail art design that you just did. And I like to tap off the excess and reapply it. That way I know that it's coated evenly on each one. You want to make sure you turn it to get the sides as well, because it's not going to get coated as well as it needs to. And we need this nail art to last, to be durable. We don't want to waste our time. And so here I am just making sure I got all the design covered in powder evenly, and I tap the excess off and pop it into the lamp. And there's two ways to brush it off. You can use a fluffy brush, but I feel like the fluffy brush leaves that white cast behind, and that looks good sometimes, but I don't feel like it complements this look very well. So my preferred method is going in with a dry nail brush, and it's a lot harder. The bristles are a lot firmer, so it really gets off that excess powder. That way it really blends in with your nail color. And see, it just doesn't have that flashback effect. Like, this is the makeup, not flashback, but you know. And for my plaid nail art, I like to go in with my lighter color first and before my darker color, in case the darker color shows through. And I cover each color in powder before I move on to the next, because I just don't like the way it looks when I cover them all at once, because I like it to look layered, like, you know, a plaid is. It looks layered, but that's not for everyone. To each his own. And here I didn't do this on a matte nail. I seen someone do that, but I ended up going through once it was cured with a thin brush and adding my matte top coat in anyway, because I just prefer the look over a matte nail. And I decided to add these butterflies last minute on top of some foil glue, and it really tied it all together. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and leave a comment for me. Bye.